Okay, so here's Kyla bottle feeding our new little Sanine goats that we just got today, huh? Was that a surprise? Kyla, hold it into her mouth, honey.
She's wiggling too much.
Don't hold her neck like that, sweetheart. Let go of her neck. Good girl. Nice and soft. Can you hold it up a little higher? The bottle?
Oh, they drink fast.
They do, really fast, huh?
Hey, want some more?
Good job. She's sucking that milk down, huh?
Hey. Hey, what are you doing with my finger? She needs to learn where to bite.
You mean what to suck on?
Yeah. She's sucking on my finger.